Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to go back home on your Meta Quest 3. So at first guys, just open the library and just go inside any of the app you would like. And for now, I'm going inside the app Gorilla Tag. And guys, as I go inside and I want to go back home, all I have to do is just press the Meta button on your controller like this. And as you press the Meta button, this menu pops up on your screen. And go for the option Quit right here. Just select it with the trigger on your controller. As you guys can see, I'm back at home. So guys, that's how you go back home on your Meta Quest 3. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos. And drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.